Many mothers are excited about the benefits of providing breast milk to their babies. However, some experience discomfort while pumping. It's important to remember that pumping shouldn't hurt. If you feel pain while pumping, something isn't right. This can often be fixed with simple adjustments. One of the most common culprits of pumping discomfort is an incorrect flange size. Many mothers experience pain and reduced milk output simply because the flange they are using does not fit properly. This can be incredibly frustrating and discouraging, especially for new mothers who are already navigating the challenges of breastfeeding and pumping. The flange is the part of the pump that fits over your nipple. It creates a seal and helps to draw out the milk. However, if the flange is not the right size, it can lead to a host of issues, including pain, irritation, and even damage to the nipple and breast tissue. If it's too tight or too loose, it can cause pain and irritation. A flange that is too tight can compress the nipple and restrict milk flow, while one that is too loose may not create a proper seal, leading to ineffective pumping and discomfort. It's essential to find the right flange size for your body. This can make a significant difference in your pumping experience, making it more comfortable and efficient. Measure your nipple diameter carefully and consult a lactation consultant or breastfeeding expert to determine your ideal flange size. They can provide personalized advice and help you try different sizes to find the best fit. They can guide you towards flanges that fit comfortably and effectively. Remember, a well-fitting flange can make all the difference in your pumping journey, ensuring that you can pump milk efficiently and comfortably without unnecessary pain or frustration. Another factor influencing pumping comfort is the suction level. The suction level on your breast pump can significantly impact your overall experience and milk output. Each person is different, and what feels comfortable for one person might be too intense for another. It's important to remember that everyone's body responds differently to pumping. Start with the lowest suction setting and gradually increase it until you find a level that effectively extracts milk without causing pain. This gradual adjustment helps you find the optimal setting for your comfort and efficiency. Pay attention to your body's signals. Your body will give you cues if the suction is too high or too low. If you experience pinching or discomfort, lower the suction immediately. Discomfort can be a sign that the suction is too strong, and continuing at that level could cause damage or pain. Remember that higher suction doesn't necessarily equate to more milk. It's about finding the right balance for your body. The goal is to find a suction level that is both comfortable and effective for milk extraction. By taking the time to adjust the suction settings properly, you can make your pumping sessions more comfortable and productive. Always prioritize your comfort to ensure a positive and successful pumping experience. Section 4, the power of positioning and relaxation. Beyond equipment adjustments, your posture and mental state can significantly impact pumping comfort. Ensure you're sitting comfortably with good back support. Hunching over or straining can lead to muscle tension and discomfort. Try to relax your shoulders and neck muscles. Stress and tension can hinder milk flow. Consider using relaxation techniques like deep breathing or listening to calming music while pumping to create a more serene experience. Section 5. Additional tips for comfortable pumping. Beyond flange fit and suction, several other factors can contribute to pumping comfort. It's important to create a relaxing environment. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can sit back and relax. This can help you feel more at ease and make the pumping process smoother. Proper lubrication can make a difference. Using a good nipple cream can reduce friction and prevent soreness. Apply a lanolin-free nipple cream or a few drops of your breast milk to reduce friction. This can be especially helpful if you experience any discomfort or irritation during pumping. Ensure all pump parts are clean and dry to prevent irritation and potential infections. Regular cleaning is essential to maintain hygiene and ensure the longevity of your pump. Warm compresses applied before pumping can help stimulate milk flow and soothe the breasts. This can make the pumping process more efficient and comfortable. Gently massaging your breasts before and during pumping can also encourage milk letdown. This can help you express more milk in less time and make the experience more pleasant. Staying hydrated is crucial. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support milk production and keep your body well hydrated. Finally, remember to breathe and stay calm. Deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress and make the pumping process more comfortable and effective. Section 6. Seeking help when needed. While these tips can significantly improve your pumping comfort, remember that every individual is unique. If you experience persistent pain or discomfort, consult a lactation consultant or healthcare professional. They can assess your situation, provide personalized guidance, and rule out any underlying medical conditions. Don't hesitate to reach out for support to ensure a positive and comfortable breastfeeding experience.